Alright guys, so before I go any further into this reaction, I want to say good morning. May God bless you, keep you, and have a wonderful Sunday. And the day after this, the week after this, please have a wonderful rest of the week. So firstly, I want to say happy Father's Day to everyone who's watching this video who's practically a father, right? So Shaman has given us a brand new track. I'm not sure if it's a performance or a song, but anything that Shaman given us, then I'll be happy to react to it. Without further ado, let's see what's up. Let's see if it's a performance or a song. So beautiful thus far. Lovely. Shaman. My G is my G. Well. Okay, it's one of my favorite songs. Oh, it's a performance. I see. Okay, let's continue. This is one of my favorite song done by Shaman, bro. Shaman's gay, and I get to one row. Yo.
Я вдыхаю этот воздух.
Once bro touches on that stage, the place will be in shambles. The place will be in flames. The place will be in a devastating situation when that bro performs, bro. Trust me, he's one of my favorite Russian singers, and I have to applaud him, bro. He's doing excellently. Shaman, bro, I respect your music so much. I respect your voice so much. I respect everything that you're doing for your fans and me, because I'm a big fan of you. I respect it so much, bro. I love your music so much, bro. To be honest, I'm a Jamaican. Sometimes I don't understand what the lyrics are saying, but thank you so much for the captions, bro. Thank you so much for the subtitles. I finally get to understand what you're saying, and sometimes your songs are really and truly inspirational, touching, and also heartwarming. And you are making the world a better place, bro. From Jamaica, from Russia, to the entire world. Thank you so much, Shaman. So let's continue.
Такой же, как и я, и хочется просто любить и дышать, и мне другого нет.
I love his voice so much, bro. Right? He have this stage performance thing locked, and he's the best, bro.
Нужна такой, какой есть, и меня не сломать, и все потому, что я русский.
Bro, I love this song so much, bro. Yo, I love this song so much, my G. Oh my god, bro. Shaman, bro, you are performing this song that I really liked, and it is one of my favorite songs from Shaman, right? Apart from the song that so much people have lost their lives in that massacre that happened a month ago, and I'm so sorry that so much of y'all lost a family member. I do understand the pain. It's very tragic. But apart from that song, apart from multiple Shaman songs that I reacted to, this song is one of my favorite, bro. And it's always nice. Bro can sing exponentially great. His voice, his vocals, his performance, bro, they all synchronizing properly. Oh, oh my god, bro. Damn, Shaman, bro. You are making it so easy. Shaman bro, I want to thank you so much for doing music, and thank you so much for making music a number one priority, bro. Because if it wasn't for your music, sometimes my happiness wouldn't be here, right? Your music literally makes me happy, and every time I give my 2 cents on your music, I literally learn something about you every day. It is so great to sit and to watch Shaman perform. It is so good to sit and to listen Shaman sings, bro. Damn, Russian music is good. It is well known to see Shaman here, bro. Right? With all the people who's in this arena to sit and listen Shaman perform, I wish I would be there, bro. To sit and to see Shaman perform. He's a very great guy. Very awesome artist, bro. Very great Russian artist. I've known a lot of Russian artists, especially Diana Kulinova. She's from Russia and she can sing really good, right? She have this multitasking voice that it literally pulls you closer to listen to her music and it gives you goosebumps. But Shaman, bro, is in a different caliber. Trust me. Let me see all those people who love Yaslov. He's the best. Wow. Yo, this song, bro, there's something about this song that I really like, bro. So good, so good, so good. Oh my God, Shaman, bro, you are making it so nice. I would love to go to one of his concerts one day, but unfortunately I'm in Jamaica and I don't know what is it like to be in Russia, bro. And because of Shaman, because of Diana, I would love to sit and to go inside of a Russian arena performance and to enjoy myself, bro. Right here, I'm enjoying myself. I'm feeling good. You know, music is really a powerful thing. And once you've learned the music differently, then it will hit you differently. Very nice music. Sweet music. Shaman is one of the artists who literally sings life into music, who puts his heart and his soul into music, or likewise the performance, bro. Just like how he puts his music out there so people could understand what he's saying, what he's doing, that's the same sentiment he gives back into his performance. And this is what you call a great artist, right? You have some artists out there who doesn't really understand when it comes down to stage performance because they do not remember the lyrics of their songs. But Shaman do that, bro. He literally knows everything of his songs, bro. And this is to show you that how incredible Shaman music really is while he performs. Shaman, bro, thank you so much for choosing music. I'm inspired, bro. I'm really inspired and you are one of the greatest out there. Look, look, look. Ah. Yo, Shaman, bro. Thank you, bro. Ah. Guys, look, I know I'm pausing too much, but you guys will understand. You guys should have known this already. I'm preventing myself from the copyright infringement, bro. The block and everything. So, yeah. Yeah. This was an awesome song. Awesome performance. Guys, look, if you guys do reach thus far in this reaction, please don't forget to leave a like on the video. Smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. And if you guys do enjoy this reaction, please, you guys know what to do. Share it to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican guy from your country, Russia. So, I'll see you guys in the next Shaman reaction.